How to make a group on Snapchat only for streaks. So a streak tracks how many days in a row you and the friend have sent Snapchat to each other. Keeping up a Snapchat streak gives you extra point for your Snapchat score. So what you're gonna do is, let's say for example you want to send this snap, okay, for many friends that you have a streak with, right? But you want to put them in one group so you can send them in one click. So what you're gonna do is, you took in a picture right now, I'm gonna send it, and as you can see right here, I have two friends that I have streak with. What I'm gonna do is, I'm gonna just go ahead right here to the top right and create a new group, okay, and I'm gonna select the two of them, okay. I'm gonna create a group and I'm gonna name the group right here as streak. That way, if I have, day to day streaks and I don't want to send it individually, and I have more than, two friends, as in this video, I'm gonna just create a one group right here, and it's named, group Snapchat streak, and I'm gonna just hit send, and they will be all send the same photo that I am sending individually, usually, but in one click. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.